Welcome back across Nevada to Ralston Reports. We're talking to Pete Ernaut, a very prominent political consultant in Nevada. Before we go on to Senator Heller, real quick question about the governor. Once again, a group of medical professionals, a coalition today, urged him to expand Medicaid as he is allowed to do under the Affordable Care Act. Do you think he's going to do so?
I don't know, but I will tell you this: at his core, and why he left the Attorney General's office to become a federal judge. He's a very contemplative person, a very thoughtful person. He doesn't make decisions unless they're deliberate. I think he's weighing all the options, and I have to tell you, this is a very close call.
Why is it a close call? The federal government's going to pay for most of it. Does the governor not care about poor people being covered, Mr. Ernaut?
That's not the issue. The issue is that there's a financial concern, because obviously there's somewhat of a ticking time bomb that comes at the back end. But I think that has to be balanced with the empathy of understanding just how bad our reimbursement rates are, how bad the universe of coverage is in Nevada. So I don't know exactly the decision he's going to make, but I know he's weighing all those options.
Do you think he's leaning yes or no?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Really?
I really don't know.
How important a decision do you think it is for him to do this, and in the scheme of him? And I'm sure he's asked you for your advice. What's your advice?
I think it's a very important decision.
And have you advised him to do it because you're a sensitive, moderate Republican?
We have had discussions, yes. I don't know that I would characterize that as advice, but certainly we talk about a number of things like that. But he's taken a lot of input from across the state, from all the folks that are affected by such a decision, and I expect him to make the best decision.
When will he make the decision, do you think?
Well, I think he has to pretty quick. I mean, just from a budget standpoint, he's going to probably have to make that decision, I'm going to guess, in the next month to 6 weeks.
You think he should do it, don't you? Expand Medicaid. Just say it. You think he should do it?
Listen, I think one of the issues in Nevada that's undeniable is that the universe of coverage in Medicaid and our reimbursement rates are things that need extreme attention. Is this the way to do it? I'm not that sure. At some point, it's above my pay grade. But I would tell you that we have suffered chronically in the last 20 years of not taking care of people at that level, and so
that's a yes. That's a yes, sir. That's a yes.